Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Look how adorable these bowls are. I have gotten so much use out of these super cute dessert bowls. I am completely obsessed with them.
These small ceramic dessert bowls are by Esfour, and I was right away drawn in by these beautiful, vivid colors. I also have these small dessert plates that go along with these bowls, and you can mix and match those. They look so cute together, whether you match them or you mix them up with different colors. I love that they are dishwasher safe, which makes it so easy for a cleanup. These bowls are the perfect size for dessert, maybe for a pudding or something, or just for a little snack. And I love the design of these where they kind of have a lip that comes in at the top, making them the perfect little bowl. I love these for so many things, for breakfast, for snacks. I've used them for dips as well. They are so conveniently sized. I think it's the perfect little portion size for a dip or a side dish or a snack or a bowl of yogurt. The possibilities with these are endless. The cleanup is so easy with the fact that they're dishwasher safe, and bonus that they're also oven and microwave safe. These are such amazing quality too. I love the feel of the ceramic, and the finish on these is so beautiful. I think the color and the design is super, super unique. I am so in love with them, and again, I think they make such a great set, also paired with the plates as well. I get so many uses out of these, and they're really a uniquely gorgeous set.
These bowls have been the perfect size for desserts, for snacks, for so many different things, and I really love how uniquely beautiful they are. I am pretty much obsessed, and I think that you will be super, super happy with them if you get yourself a set, but that's just my point of view.